Hi, first graders. We're going to read a story today called Don't Push the Button. It is written and illustrated by the same person, and his name is Bill Cotter. Don't push the button. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. It does look pretty nice though. Maybe you should give the button one little push. Okay, let's do it. One little push. Now I'm yellow! Push it again! Eek! Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice! Now there's two of me! Push it a bunch of times! Push it, push it, push it, push it, push it, push it! Uh-oh. Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Okay. Do we think it's gonna work? Let's see. Almost. A little more. Okay, let's see. Can we get rid of all those Larrys? Okay. There we go. It says here to scratch a Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. Okay, let's scratch it. Tickle, 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 tickle. That tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. The end. I hope you guys loved the story. It's so silly. See you later.